Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix camera flash grayed out in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open the camera app. Now in camera app, if your camera flash is grayed out, it's just because your phone battery is too low. So when your phone battery is below 15%, then the camera flash do not work. So charge your battery to fix the camera flash grayed out issue. So that's how you can fix the camera flash grayed out issue in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.